Hello guys, welcome back to TechWise AI, and today I am reviewing about ChatGPT and I will tell you how to use ChatGPT. So firstly, downloading from Play Store, you can see the interface. So just register here. After that, you can see you can easily create image here, summarize text, analysis data, and many things like you can create any story, guys. Like if you want to create story, you can easily create it. Just you have to write any, like make a story, and here you can see there is a many option to make stories like horror, motivation, science fiction, and funny. So select according to you, and if you have any story, other thing you can easily type it, and then ChatGPT will provide you. And guys, the main topic is how you can create image here. So guys, for creating thumbnail, ChatGPT is the one of the best platform, guys, because if you create platform like Gemini, you can create image, but you don't get any perfect image. So just they create story, and if you want to make a any thumbnail, just ask ChatGPT to create a thumbnail. And if you want to add text, any specific keywords and many things, so you can write it very simply, like add a thumbnail, like add any character, any picture you want to add in image. So you can just command to ChatGPT. After that, your image will be in processing, and after, like if you get plus subscription, so your image will be faster. But if you get a normal like free subscription, so you have to wait here. After waiting like 1 to 2 minutes, then your image will be created here. But you can see this is raw footage, raw image. You can also use this image and edit by yourself. And also if you want to command and like add text and many things, then ChatGPT will be create more creative and much better image next time. So just ask ChatGPT. So thanks for watching my video, guys. Bye bye and take care.